unexpected error occurred and Roblox needs to quit. We're sorry. How to fix this one? It's very easy. Step one, you just have to click Windows and R, type app data, click OK, and then here you just have to go to local and then look for Roblox folder. And all you have to do is to right click and then click delete. Okay, so that's step one. Step two, you have to do it again. You have to tap Windows plus R, and then you just have to type %temp%, click OK, and then here you just have to scroll down and look for Roblox folder. Okay, right click and then click delete. That's step two. Okay, so for step three, all you have to do is to simply go to the search icon, type Roblox, and then click uninstall. Tap uninstall again, and that's it. You have uninstalled your Roblox. To make sure, step four, you just have to go to add or remove programs. You can search it right here. Click open and then search for Roblox. You can scroll down and look for Roblox, or you can search it up there. Okay, so look for R, Roblox, and then when you found it, you're going to tap this three dots and then tap uninstall. And that's it. You just have to wait for this Roblox to be fully uninstalled. And then that's step four. Step five is you have to install Roblox again by going to Microsoft Store. Okay, look for Roblox, install, or you can go to any web browser and then download Roblox. So once you are here, once you have downloaded this, you just have to right click and then kindly look for properties. You have to tap this show more options to see properties. And then once you click properties, you just have to look for compatibility and make sure that you check this run as administrator and this display full screen optimization. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.